How to search layers in Figma. Go to search icon on top left corner of layers panel. You can do that with Command+F in Mac and Control+F in Windows. Now start typing the text that you want to search. In the options menu on right hand side of the search box, you can see two options, Find and Replace. Find is for searching the text and Replace for replace the text that we searched. Other than that, you can filter the search results with text, frame or group, component, instance, image, shape, etc. You can even filter with text case also. Let's do the replace now. Let's type default and try button. And let's replace it. Boom. That's it. The button text got replaced. If you like this video and want to see more, do like the video and subscribe to the channel.